guys, we're gonna open a electric balloon pump. Wow, inside it has, what's this? Oh, it's a balloon. No, it's a balloon tire.
Daddy, what is this?
It's a balloon. It's a balloon.
No, this is the balloon.
And this is also like a tape.
Oh my God, so heavy.
Okay.
Lighting.
Oh, instructions.
Choose your color.
Model 3, 110 to 120, 60 hertz, noise less than 85 decibels. Okay, so here is the port where you plug it in to a socket. Socket.
Daddy, you can put your toys in there.
Yeah, okay. Wait, we need to plug it first. Okay? Wait, so we untangle it and we grab a power supply. Wait. So this is manual.
Oh, I thought it was
Not there. Should we put it here? Okay. Open the hole, put it inside, and then press. Go, press. Then click. Go, 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 go. Yay! Got it, guys. And then it's actually good. It's so fast. You blow it, open it, and then make sure there's no air coming out. And then you press it, and just let's count. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Just 3 seconds. Nice. Nice. It's so good. Thank you for watching. Bye. Woo.